Once upon a time, there was a beggar named Zezélia. Zezélia lived under a tree in the middle of a big city. She was always begging for alms. She asked for all kinds of help: food, coin, money, clothes, shoes, blanket. But Zezélia was not sick. She had a perfect body. Her health was good. She spent the whole day with her tin cup saying, "Almsgiving for God's sake." And every now and then, some people passing by on the street would throw a few coins into the tin cup she was carrying. And at other times, someone would come along and tell him, "Zezélia, I grow flowers. I can help you by bringing some of them, and you can try to sell. How about it?" But Zezélia replied, "Oh no. I'm not good at selling anything. You have to walk, and I can't. And I think the flowers might give me hay fever." Another one would pass by and say, "Zezélia, I work in a company and there we need someone to help in the kitchen, helping to serve coffee and water in the meetings we have." "Me. Not me, my son. I'm not like that. It won't work." Then a woman came and invited, "Zezélia, I need help at home washing and ironing clothes. Do you want to work there?" "No way, I can't stand it. It's too much effort. I have no strength." A man then said, "Zezélia, you have good hands. My wife can teach you how to sew. You'll use your hands, occupy your head, and you'll still be able to earn money with the pieces you make." "Oh no, my hands are not good, and I can't see the eye of the needle. Leave me in my corner, I can't." And so Zezélia lived on the sidelines, with no desire, no joy, no eagerness. She complained about everything: her body, her health. She said she couldn't eat a full meal, that she didn't have anything to drink to quench her thirst. And she stayed like this day after day, begging, complaining, crying, whining. Until one morning Zezélia was found lying on the ground, dead, in the same town she had always passed begging. Her acquaintances, who saw her all the time, thought that Zezélia deserved it and went straight to heaven. But that was not the case. Arriving at the spiritual realm, Zezélia went to a dark, cold, scary place. There she cried and asked for help. And after a while a spiritual friend came to her and asked, "Hi Zezélia, how can I help you?" And Zezélia thought she was already known to the angels in heaven. And the spiritual friend informed her, "Yes, you are known, Zezélia, for a long time." Then the beggar started to cry and let it out. "Oh, I have suffered all my life, you know. Now then, I'll get all the help and care I deserve, won't I?" "Listen, Zezélia," said the messenger. "Divine help is for those who work. One who does what they have to do. Who does not plant the seeds, does not harvest. You denied all the work you were invited to do. Selling flowers, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and sewing. You also didn't take care of the plants, the animals. You didn't take care of others or yourself, your health or your body. How do you intend to receive blessings?" Zezélia replied, "But I couldn't. I was a beggar." And then the spiritual friend clarifies, "Dear Zezélia, although you were in a beggarly situation, several opportunities have appeared to help you, but you chose not to make no effort to improve your condition. When you learn to work, call on us, and you will receive help from the high." And so Zezélia fell silenti and start preparing to return to earth, for a new incarnation, to renew herself and now to work. Have you ever thought about this?